तो गाइस मीन और मैं आए हुए हैं एक completely different thing, never done this before. किसी के घर आए हुए हैं जहाँ पे हम लोग कुछ काम करेंगे, कुछ बनाएंगे यूजिंग सम एम्ब्रॉयडरी, जैसे सुई धागा होता है ना इंडिया में वैसे. सो दैट वाज मीन्स चॉइस. मीन ने बोला अमित चलो वहाँ जाते हैं, तो आज हम बैठे हुए हैं. सो ये टाइप का जो मटेरियल रेडी करके रखा है, सुई धागे पड़े हुए हैं, एंड तो देखते हैं क्या बनता है आगे. विल सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी. You gonna make it.
And that's the project we can make today.
Okay. Is it necklace?
Yeah, those three are necklace. You also have like a necklace this one. Then you have all these earrings, all these area bracelets. You can take them out
Oh,
also.
okay.
Yeah. If you make it easy to choose. Like from the unit, you can just.
Yep.
You can. Like, yeah, don't feel afraid. You can't destroy anything.
So, sorry, like as I mentioned earlier, we are at someone is hosting us. Someone is actually gonna teach us how to make something, some ornaments. So we are at Angel's house. Angel, she is also on a she's also on a working holiday in New Zealand, and as a part-time hobby, she teaches she teaches various people as to how one can make ornaments from small projects like this. And Min is looking very carefully at each and every ornament. Let's see. By the way, like Min is really good at whatever she does.
How do you know that?
Cause you don't know, like okay, by the time we are filming this, what we had done was we had also filmed a Hindi Gana हमने साथ में गाया था, Jimmy Jimmy. So you guys would have seen as to how good she sings.
Thank you.
You need a choice as well.
Yeah, I'm choosing.
We like them.
You bought this one is at here or in Chile?
It's like something I always keep with me. So wherever I go, I find new things. So we spent the last year in Asia, in different countries, mainly Southeast Asia. So you can see like things that I got from the different countries. You know, like for example, I got this in Thailand, I got this in Indonesia, I got different places.
So guys, हम लोग आए हैं ज्वेलरी मेकिंग प्रोजेक्ट पे. मैं बनाने वाला हूँ ये ब्रेसलेट. तो उसके लिए मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है ब्राउन धागा एंड ऑरेंज थ्रेड विथ सम बीड्स जो यहाँ पे मैंने रखे हैं. एंड Min has decided to make some earrings, for which she is selecting beads and wire since the past 1 hour. So Angel, so when did you start making all this? Like where did you learn it all?
Well, I've been learning on the way.
On the way?
I start being like a kid. Like
Right.
I would say like many girls when they're like little ones,
Mhm.
they're just like passing some beads
Right.
through
Mhm.
just a line and making like a bracelet. Well, I
Right.
just keep going in the same path.
Mhm.
So what I did, like, I I've been looking around different techniques.
Yeah.
I'm trying to copy that. Sometimes face,
Yeah.
sometimes I did it like right.
Right. So she's from Chile. Chile is a country, I think, from my memory. It's on the west
Yeah.
part of South America. Yeah. And
It's
top
the last
north.
country.
Last country. And it's a
Yeah.
tiny stretch of land, right?
Yeah, and even
Yeah.
have like a little part on the Antarctica.
Yeah.
So it's like if you want to go Antarctica, it's the closest country.
Right. Yeah.
You can just take like a boat and
Mhm.
cross.
Capital of Chile is
Santiago.
Santiago de Chile.
Capital.
Santiago de Chile. Yeah. Yeah. So देखो आता है थोड़ा भी geography. Perfect. So you learned it in Chile, right?
Yeah, I learned in Chile, but
Mhm.
then I meet different people around
Yeah.
along my life, and
Yeah.
they teach me a lot.
Yeah.
About,
Fair enough.
And then I start traveling. I
Mhm.
really like traveling.
Yeah,
I travel
yeah.
like for more than almost 30 countries.
Wow.
And every time I go to a different country, I learn different things from there.
Right.
And also change with other travelers who
Mm.
are like just
Mm-hmm.
traveling with the crafts or
Yeah.
with the jewelry. So we just exchange something.
Fair enough. Yeah. Cool. So just like me, Angel has been traveling all around the world. इन्होंने बोला कि so far she's traveled around 13 countries, 30 or 13, 30 countries. And have you been to India?
No yet. I'm a little bit afraid.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
No, fair enough. देखा आपने सुना. That was an honest opinion. So
Yeah.
appreciate your honesty.
But you know what? It's because when I see things.
Fair enough. Yeah.
When I see things, I feel sometimes the same.
Yeah.
And there is so much to see in India, so much culture, so much
Yeah.
religion, so
Mhm.
much like also like different kind of living.
Yeah.
Different
Fair enough.
experience.
Yeah.
And also I feel like there's a whole spiritual trip.
Yeah.
have to do
Exactly. Yeah.
When you go in there, so that's what I feel like.
Yeah.
I need like a special time to go in. It's
Mhm.
not just going
Just-
for a week
Fair enough.
and then
Yeah.
go out,
Cool.
take picture with the Taj Mahal and
Yeah.
go away.
Yeah.
No, I
Yeah.
would like to do like the whole experience.
Yeah.
So I really want to prepare myself.
Mm-hmm.
And actually, I sometimes practice yoga,
Wow. Cool.
and I would love to go there to learn.
Right.
Because
Cool.
I feel they are like the best teacher.
Yeah. Sweet. तो इन्होंने बोला पहले कि इनको डर लगा था, फिर बोला कि इनको ऐसा नहीं कि एक वीक इंडिया में जाओ. You need to spend a good amount of time there in India to experience India. तो ये कभी जब मौका मिला तो ज़रूर जाएंगे इंडिया. लेकिन पहले इन्होंने बोला कि इनको डर लगता है जो हम न्यूज़ देखते हैं. तो देखा कैसा इंप्रेशन छोड़ती है वर्ल्ड में.
That is the first one. So I choose where in the wire I want to work. I hold the end of the wire in that area, and I move my hand with the wire to make the circle.
Yeah.
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 And if I feel like I still need to do a little bit more, I take the wire out and I hold it back again in the same area, and I go a little bit further. You know. So you can like play a little bit and see what's the difference between the different areas. Like for example, that one was made like with the middle. This one I made it with the end. This one I made it with the bottom. And you can see the difference
Yeah.
between
Right.
the different areas.
Guys, Amin has already finished making or is just about to finish making her project. She was making earrings. She's onto it and she's done an awesome work. So look at her concentration there. And look at these earrings she has already made. And I was gonna make a bracelet. I'm a worst student. I only managed to reach like 25%. So still I need to finish. It's not even halfway.
Wow.
So we could do we could chop that off and make a necklace out of it. Just hang a wire. and-
Well, I would say, sorry, this is already halfway.
okay, so I was lying.
So, he's better than what he thinks. Actually, you can see. Come on. For the first time he ever made a bracelet in his life, you can see how perfect this shape is.
Yeah, because the teacher has been good. She has been training and helping me out. So an awesome teacher. If you ever visit Auckland, do and if she's around in Auckland, do book her for a session or two.
So, okay. Now, tell me what you think about your bracelet.
Guys, I mean, honestly, I had given up halfway through. मैंने ये बनाने की try कर रहा था, लेकिन I found it too complicated. So I was just giving up. And Min and the teacher, Angel, she told me, Amit, don't give up. And look what I ended up making. Like I did finish my bracelet. And ये मैंने पहली बार बनाया. I made this for the first time ever in my life. So that's my product. And that's the professional version as to how it should be.
Yeah.
So my one is like maybe 30-40% similar, but I do like the product. End product is really cool. So thanks, teacher was awesome. I'm happy about how you taught me, so thanks a lot.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah,
So you can put it in there and we can compare
sure.
both of them. Let's see how they look like.
So that's the professional one. ये जो teacher जो बनाई है वो ये है, and that's the one that I made it. So you guys can see it's so similar. It's just only because I was showed how to make it in a professional way. So thank you very much, Angel, again. I really appreciate it. So guys, आपने देखा कि मैंने कैसे बनाया bracelet. It was my first ever attempt at making bracelet. So बहुत बढ़िया लगा. It took me like 2 hours, 2.5 hours to make this, but worth an effort. And Min, she is making earrings. उसने एक नहीं दो बनाई है. Like Min was making earrings, and she ended up making 2.
Maybe you can put it on top here, I think. Maybe a little way. Like that?
I'll make it for
Or you can put it on top. Yeah? So. Yep. And then what we need are some hooks. So we have here 3 or 4 different colors. Okay. We have this.
So beautiful. Wow.
Good work, Min.
Yeah. So tell
So
me,
Min made
you
2.
ever made this before?
Yeah, Min made 2 earrings. Min ने 2 earrings बनाया और दोनों के दोनों एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास दिख रही है. Very cute. Wow, those are really beautiful.